Hello, hola, welcome back to my channel. I am a freelance illustrator and graphic designer who likes to craft, crochet, sew, do all kinds of cute goodies. So please feel free to take a look, see if you like it, comment, subscribe, all those good things, and then I will see you guys in this week's vlog. Hello everybody, welcome to this week's vlog. Thank you for joining me. On this week's agenda, I was basically making sure that I had a couple of these designs that you see in front of you ready for print, or at least for testing. I was trying out some new bookmarks, which is a new product that I'm going to be having amongst my product line. Just adding that. I wanted to see how it looked, testing out maybe some old sticker designs as possible bookmarks, like this design that you see here. We did a little bit of thrifting, as you saw, a little bit of vintage shopping. Went around and checked out Michael's for a little bit. We went to the Mexican bakery in Beaumont to see if we can talk to someone regarding a market for October, which I'm really excited about because it's going to be our first ever Dia de los Muertos festival in this area. So I'm really excited and I'm hoping that I can vend there. So we went ahead and checked out the bakery to see if we can talk to someone regarding the event and, just get some information. And turns out that the vending spots are being done by a local gallery that, a person who owns an art gallery in the area. And she's going to be heading over the entire event and organization. So we chatted a bit over the phone. I left my phone number with the bakery there and they passed it on to her. So I'm really excited about it. We'll be prepping for all those kinds of things. So I'm just going to be checking out some new product designs for this week. And of course, my little sister's birthday was that week. So I also had to come up with a little bit of a present for her. And I included a little bit of me putting it all together and making it because she requested a few things from me specifically for her birthday or just in general. And I went ahead and put it all together on here. So you'll see that coming up in a bit. But this is basically me working on that last little design and what I had so far during that session of me drawing for a couple of hours on this little bookmark. So prior to that day, we had a storm that blew out a transformer. We had to leave the house for a bit. Kind of gave me an excuse to check out Hobby Lobby. Did a little bit of sketching at a restaurant, a little barbecue restaurant we went to. And I saw that random tub of thing on the floor. I was like, what the heck is this? Oh, and this is that top that I was telling you guys about that last week that we ended up thrifting at one of the local thrift stores, or one of the thrift stores in Houston, I believe, or the Pearland area. But yeah, and I found another cute little crochet top in Beaumont whenever we went out there, and that one's handmade. I think the one that I just tried on was manufactured. This is me working on the scrunchie that she wanted. She wanted this particular fabric because she found some and was like, I will give this to you if you make me one. So I still have a couple more I need to make her anyway, but she wanted this. And this is a little bit of my process of me making them. Also in a bit, you will be seeing me working on the product designs for packaging for some of my new products. So check that out in a bit. And this will be the footage of me putting the entire gift together in general. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I started working on the packaging for some of these mug rug coasters that I was telling you guys about. And this is what I have so far. I'm about to do a test of them and see how they look like. I'm gonna do a set of 4 because I don't want to waste, paper. If I had just a regular piece of paper, then I'd do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do 4, see if it'll come out nice and see how it prints out. Let's test it, shall we? Okay, I had to fix some issues with my printer. It ended up bleeding for whatever reason. Tracking, it does it sometimes with the black ink. But I went ahead and fixed it with some leftover sticker paper that I have. I always keep any of the leftovers just in case I need to use it for anything, in particular for things like this. So I went ahead and fixed the edges just to make sure that the Cricut can read its marks. So let's see how it goes. We're gonna go ahead and cut it out. I absolutely love the way they turned out. It's so cute. I'm glad I checked the measurements before I did it, and I wanted it to be over the edge just in case they want to rip off the top. It's so cute. And here's a little bit of me working on a secret piece that's coming up for my October/fall release and for the markets and stuff like that. But it's gonna have some witchy, vampire-y vibes, Victorian style a little bit. There's a little owl familiar. It's gonna be so cute, hopefully. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining me on this week's vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah! Bye!